A ductless heat pump can be a cost-effective way to keep your home comfortable year-round. Rapid advances in technology have made it possible for many homeowners to meet most or even all of their annual heating needs with high-efficiency heat pumps. Efficiency Maine has 13 tips to help you get the most out of your heat pump. Tip number 1. Set your thermostat for comfort. Set your heat pump thermostat to the temperature that makes your home feel most comfortable. Because heat pumps measure temperature at a different height than traditional thermostats, this may be a higher setting than you're used to. Tip number 2. Minimize changes to the temperature setting. Once you have set your heat pump to a comfortable temperature, we recommend that you leave the temperature setting alone. Heat pumps are designed to maintain a steady temperature, so don't adjust the thermostat frequently like you may have done with your previous system. Unlike your central heating system, a heat pump may use more energy if you turn it down at night or when you're away for the day. Leaving your thermostat constant for the season can help you get the most savings from your heat pump. Tip number 3. Avoid auto mode. Set your heat pump mode to heat in winter and cool in summer. Avoid using auto mode, as this could cause the system to heat on a cool summer night or cool on a sunny winter afternoon. Tip number 4. Prioritize your heat pump. If you have more than one heating system, you can maximize your savings by prioritizing your heat pump. Do this by setting your other system's thermostat at least 10 degrees cooler than your heat pump. The more you rely on your heat pump, the more you'll save. Tip number 5. Maximize the heating zone of your heat pump. If you have more than one heating system, maximize the area heated by your heat pump by making sure doors are open between the room with the heat pump and the other rooms you want to heat. Conversely, close doors between your heat pump and rooms you don't want heated to keep the heat where you want it. Tip number 6. Optimize airflow direction. Optimize the heating and cooling effects of your heat pump by controlling where the fan blows. Generally speaking, you're best off directing warm air towards the floor and away from occupants, and directing cool air up or directly at occupants. Experiment to see what works best for you. Tip number 7. Optimize fan setting. Though we recommend avoiding the heating-cooling auto mode, we recommend using auto fan mode, at least to begin with. If auto fan mode doesn't circulate enough air to heat or cool the desired rooms, try a fixed speed that meets your needs. For a bigger area, you may need to set your fan to a higher setting. Tip number 8. Expect new sounds. Heat pumps are remarkably quiet. Most of the time, they are nearly silent, but sometimes you may hear soft gurgling or clicking noises. These sounds are a normal part of heat pump operation. Tip number 9. Don't worry about idling. Heat pumps enter idle mode when they reach their target temperature or need to defrost. The indoor fan will keep running at a very low speed even though the system is not providing heating or cooling. This is normal and temporary. The unit will restart when there is a call for more heating or cooling, or when the defrost cycle has completed. Tip number 10. Watch for indicator lights. If you see blinking indicator lights, consult your user manual to learn what they mean. On some models, the color of the lights and the frequency of blinking are what indicates a specific condition. Tip number 11. Clean your dust filters. Heat pumps work best when dust filters are clean. Vacuum or rinse and dry the dust filters whenever they become visibly dirty or when the indicator light comes on. The frequency of cleaning can range from weeks to months, depending on use and dust volume. If your model has an allergen cartridge, be sure to wash or replace it at the interval the manufacturer recommends. Tip number 12. Keep your outdoor unit clear. Check your outdoor unit periodically and clear away snow, plants, leaves, or debris that may impede airflow to the unit. Tip number 13, have your heat pump serviced. Consider manufacturer's recommendations about hiring a heat pump service professional to clean and service your unit every 1 to 2 years. Regular maintenance can help ensure peak performance. This concludes our list of tips for getting the most out of your ductless heat pump. A printable copy of these tips is available on our website. For more information about home heating or ductless heat pumps, please visit efficiencymain.com.